This is not what I imagined when they said build a hotel.
Woo! Probably people watching this for like chainsaw safety that are thinking, what the hell are these two doing?
That's disgusting, all in my wellies. Oh. This is like sewage water at the moment. Mate, you gotta get in here.
Yes, boss.
Huh?
Yes, boss.
I just can't even get the chainsaw.
Let's try the smaller one. Yeah, this one's now as well.
Right, let's pull out most of the
Have we
stuff.
broken 2 chainsaws? There's so much water in my boot right now. Yep. Oh, what's it? That's the bulk of it out that's blocking the flow.
Yeah,
I think there's a reason you get professionals in to do this kind of thing.
I think so.